Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kakasungura YouTube channel. It is a dark day for the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua. There is a video I did a few days ago and said the High Court throws out Gachagua. Some of you lamented, some of you abused me, but I see politics from a third eye. And I've always told you that in Kenya, don't see politics from the ordinary. See politics from an extraordinary point of perspective. So I used that headline intentionally to preempt what was awaiting Gachagua. So today, the prophecy of that headline has been fulfilled. Gachagua moved to the High Court to request the courts to issue conservatory orders restricting the Senate from proceeding with Gachagua's impeachment motion. Remember, on Sunday, Gachagua said he has a lot of respect for the judiciary. He has faith in the judiciary. Akasema, judiciary ni watu wanafanya kazi professionally. Now, can you listen to this?
Consider the application and argument by parties, the Constitution and the President, the prayer for grant of conservatory order is declined. However, in view of the issues raised in this petition, which also appear to relate to those in petition E522 of 2024, which has been certified for purpose of appointing a bench of an even number of judges to hear, I certify this petition as raising substantial questions of law and of public interest in terms of Article 165 sub-Article 4 of the Constitution. This file is to be placed before the Honorable Chief Justice to consider appointing an uneven number of judges to hear this petition. Given the close proximity of the issues in this petition and those in petition E522, the Honorable Chief Justice may consider whether this petition may be heard by the same bench appointed to hear petition E522. I make no orders on course. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is Justice Chacha Mwita, who is delivering the ruling that has dismissed Rigathi Gachagua's petition that sought to restrain the Senate from acting on the National Assembly's resolution that was passed in October 8th this year. And the ruling now allows Gachagua's impeachment process to proceed in the Senate as it was scheduled to continue. Ladies and gentlemen, I am beginning to think that so many people have taken pride in Rigathi Gachagua's legal team that they are senior counsels and qualified. Ladies and gentlemen, the team, some of them we know who have lost cases, who have lost impeachment cases, are still in the forefront leading Gachagua's impeachment motion. The legal team is led by senior counsel Paul Mwite, who had sought prayers in court to allow CJ Madakome to appoint a 3-judge bench to listen to Gachagua's impeachment. So to my own view, it is coming to a limelight that Gachagua's team somehow, as much as we call them qualified, but it looks like they do not understand some legal processes. Yesterday, if you remember very well, the Speaker of the Senate, Amason Kingi, confirmed that the court cannot whatsoever give an order to stop a process that is in the Senate, such as an impeachment motion. Not even the Senate itself. Courts have no powers to restrict the National Assembly from proceeding with an impeachment process, because that is a constitutional mandate that is vested upon the senators and upon the members of parliament. Ladies and gentlemen, Gachagua's petition that was filed last week argued that the impeachment motion was flawed and deviated from the original accusations against him. So he requested a conservatory order to stop the Senate from hearing, insisting pending the hearing and the determination of the substantive petition in rein. A conservatory order should be issued according to Gachagua's lawyers, restraining and prohibiting the Senate from proceeding with the impeachment hearing. The Deputy President further complained that the motion amounted to a vicarious assault or a vicious assault rather than a legitimate inquiry alleging that the proceedings were marred by intimidation and undue influence on the members of parliament. He accused the National Assembly of rushing the process to avoid judicial oversight. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, and I want to repeat myself. To my own view, regard this case is a done deal. There are early signs that Gachagua is going to lose this. Early signs. I don't know. Maybe there's God in heaven. God may work miracles. I'm just a human being speculating. But God has his own answer on Gachagua's outcome. But today, the High Court has given a green light to the Senate to proceed with the hearing of the impeachment process. God bless you, ladies and gentlemen. See you in the next video. Asanteni sana.